guys that my GoPro has not been recording sound the whole time I've been recording this video. So I guess you guys have no idea what I'm doing. Anyways, I was mowing clover and weed stubble, and I got that home field done. And then now we're gonna head over to the Danker farm, and I'm gonna check some spots for some thistles. Then I'm gonna get started mowing. All right, guys, I got going and moving along pretty good. I have to go a little slower at this farm because there's more clover and grass. So the mower's gonna have a little bit tougher time cutting it. It's still doing a pretty good job. Move along pretty good. It'll take about 9 hours. Yeah, a little under 9 hours to finish. Won't do that today, but hopefully we'll finish her up tomorrow. Well, I smoked the center clutch. It started slipping, like I didn't even notice it start to slip. I was mowing just fine, and all of a sudden white smoke just started pouring out of it. Kind of rough there. Anyway, smoke started pouring out of it, it started slipping. When the clutch smokes, it quits cutting. So you guys gonna have to bring over some tools and the new clutch plate. It'll probably take at least an hour to replace since it's that center one, and it's a little bit harder to take off. Not really horribly hard, just more time consuming. But we'll have to get that replaced and hopefully get back going pretty soon. Guys, day number 3 of mowing clover and weed stubble. Hopefully today will be the last day because I've got about 50 acres left and I can move about 10 acres an hour. So hopefully I'll get done by later this evening, but we'll just have to see what happens. just about went through the windshield, or the rear window, not windshield, rear window. That's what's left of it. Well, that's part of it at least. The other piece, I don't know where it went, but it hit right about here or here somewhere. Because I saw it fly up here. I don't know where it went. It's somewhere around here. I don't know where it is, but that was pretty close. Darn it, darn it, darn it. That center clutch started smoking again. I don't know if it's totally ruined, but we'll just see what happens. Well, it's going again. I don't know if the blades, if it's gonna cut, because there's a clutch that connects from the tractor PTO to the gearbox. And if that clutch on the gearbox side starts to slip, then the blades will stop. And if it wears it down too much, well, the blades won't even cut because the clutch is wore down. They're not, clutch plates aren't gripping each other. So I'll try it. Let's see what happens. Seems to be cutting. I guess I got lucky. Alright guys, so I came home and Dad's gonna finish the little bit back there. He's gonna finish it and then he's gonna do the buffer around the bean field, and he wants to do it, I guess. I don't know why he doesn't want me to do it, but he wants to go around the bean field and mow down the buffers. Then we'll probably start bean walking in a few days. So yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. I'll probably make a vlog about that, but we'll see. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy it, give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe right down below. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.